Hey there, are you struggling with your iPhone not displaying emails in your inbox? Don't worry, this can happen for a number of reasons, like network hiccup, app glitches, or even some incorrect settings. But don't fret, this guide will walk you through some troubleshooting steps to help get your inbox back in order. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Force close the Mail app. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. If you have an older iPhone, just double-click the Home button. Now locate the Mail app. Swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Finally, open your Mail app and see if your emails show up. Solution: check your network connection and refresh your inbox. Open your browser, type in fast.com to check your internet speed. If your speed is low, enable airplane mode for a moment, then turn it off. Also try switching your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. After that, open the Mail app. Go to your inbox. Pull down from the top to refresh and sync your email. Solution 3. Verify email account settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to find apps. Tap on Mail. Next, tap on Accounts. Select the email account that's causing issues. Ensure all settings like server settings and ports are correct. Then toggle off the email option here and toggle it back on. Solution 4. Turn on and off iCloud Mail. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down to tap iCloud. Find Mail and toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 5. Offload and reinstall the Mail app. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find and tap the Mail app. Tap Offload app and confirm your choice. After offloading, tap Reinstall app. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your iPhone not showing emails in your inbox. If the problem persists or you need more help, just ask for support. I'm here for you.